Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 49, carbon and its compounds. In this worksheet we will discuss about the element carbon. The element of life. Carbon is called element of life. Why it is called so? Carbon is a versatile element that forms the basis of all living organisms and many of the things we use such as food, clothes, medicines, books, etc. It's the part of all things. That is why it is called versatile element. The element crust, the earth crust has only 0.02% carbon in the form of minerals like coal, petroleum, carbonate and hydrogen carbonate. In the earth crust, it is present only 0.02% or in the form of coal, petroleum carbonate or hydrogen carbonate. The atmosphere has 0.03% of carbon dioxide gas. Carbon is a non-metal. Symbol is C. You have to write capital C. Atomic number is 6. Electronic configuration 2, 4. It means its outermost orbit or shell contain 4 electrons. Carbon is tetravalent. It is tetravalent because there are 4 valency electrons present in the carbon or present in the outermost shell of the carbon. Here the electronic structure of carbon is given to you. Carbon or each atom contains 3 particles, electron, proton and neutron. Atom is made up of 3 particles. Electron carry negative charge, proton carry positive charge and neutron carry no charge. It's a neutral. 6 protons and neutrons are present in the center of the nucleus, center of the atom, that is called nucleus. So, particle, proton and neutron are present in the nucleus while electrons revolve round the nucleus in the shells or orbit. First orbit contains 2 electrons while the second or outermost orbit of carbon contains 4 electrons. Now we will discuss how does carbon attain noble gas configuration. Noble gas configuration कैसे attain करता है? Its valency, its outermost orbit contain 4 electrons. It means it has 4 valency electrons. It does not form ionic bond either by losing 4 electrons or by gaining 4 electrons. It would require, why it does not do so, it would require large amount of energy to remove 4 electrons. क्या चाहिए इसको? Large amount of energy to lose 4 electrons. And it is also difficult for the nucleus of carbon with 6 protons to hold on 4 extra electrons. So carbon overcomes this problem by sharing its valency electrons with other atoms of carbon or with atoms of other elements like hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine, etc. So it shares the electron to complete their octet or to attain noble gas configuration. The bond formed by sharing of electron between same or different atom is called covalent bond. क्या कहते हैं बच्चों इसको? This such type of bond is called covalent bond, which is formed by the sharing of electrons. Covalent bonded molecules are seen to have strong bonds within the molecule, but intermolecular forces are small. Which forces are small? Intermolecular forces. That is why it has low melting and boiling point. So, covalent compounds has low melting and low boiling point. The electrons are shared and no charged particles are formed by the compounds formed by the sharing of electron. That is why no charged particles are formed. So covalent compounds are poor conductor of electricity. कैसे होते हैं? These are poor conductor of electricity because no charged particle are formed during the sharing of electrons. Now we will practice question answer. Let's practice now. Why carbon is tetravalent? So answer is, your first question is why carbon is tetravalent. Carbon atom has 4 electrons in valency shell, so it will complete its octet by sharing its 4 valency electrons with other atoms. Carbon form 4 covalent bonds by sharing valency electrons, and this is called tetravalent. Question number 2. Question number 2 is, carbon forms covalent compound. Justify this statement. Carbon has 4 electrons in their outermost shell. Therefore, carbon completes its octet by sharing of 4 electrons with other carbon atoms or with atoms of other elements and forms covalent bond. Question number 3. Write any 3 physical properties of covalent bond. So, what are the 3 physical properties of covalent bond? Low boiling and melting points, poor conductor of heat and electricity, and these particles do not form, these compounds do not form any charge particle during the sharing of electron, or you can write various colors. These compounds have various colors. Question number 4. State the reason why covalent compounds are generally poor conductor of electricity. Because covalent bonds formed by sharing of electron and they do not have any free electrons that is required for the electricity transfer. So electricity is the flow of free electron. Thus they are bad conductor of electricity or poor conductor of electricity. Question number 5. Draw electron dot structure of these compound. H2O, water. In H2O there are two atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen combined together. So hydrogen contain only 1 electron in their outermost shell, while the oxygen contains 6 electrons in their outermost shell. They share 1 electron each. So single bond or a single bond covalent compound is formed. This can be represented by in this manner. In carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon contain 4 electron or 4 valence electron or 4 electron in their outermost orbit, while the oxygen contains 6 electron in their outermost orbit. They combined or share 2 electron each. That is why they form double covalent bond. In methane, there are CH4. Formula is of methane is CH4, means 1 carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atom. Carbon atom contain 4 electrons in their outermost orbit, while hydrogen atom has 1 electron in their outermost orbit. They share one electron each and form four single covalent bonds like this. Thanks for watching.